Cake Decorating Supplies Kit by Lime & Lemons Co. The Cake Decorating Supplies Kit by Lime & Lemons Co. includes a turntable, 24 pieces of stainless icing tips, a chart that serves as a guide for icing tips, 25 disposable icing bags, 14 pieces of easy-to-use cake imprint set perfect for fondant icing, a 6-inch straight and angled spatula, 3 pieces of cake scrapers, 2 couplers, a heart chocolate mold, a pastry bag, a decorating pen, a flour nail, a flour lifter, a cleaning brush, a set of 5 measuring spoons, Q fondant smoother, a stripping knife, a pastry brush, and a whisk. Unfortunately, the feedback about this incomplete set is often received. This is perhaps the worst cake decorating tools for beginners on the market. You don't want to undergo the hassles of having to return the product or deal with customer reps repeatedly just to give you the full runaround of a refund.